There is no trademark. Then why didn't you social media immediately tell me that I'm doing the wrong thing?
Okay, do you know
if it is on the wrong thing, social media.
Do you know that? Do you know if I have Momiwa trademark? I will not come and tell you that I have Momiwa trademark until you actually use Momiwa and I come and meet you and tell you that Momiwa is trademark.
Fight me with your documents.
No, you don't get it. My brand is trademark.
It is not. There is no proof to the court.
Order. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to your favorite game show. What does the law say? I am Timi Agbaje and I'm your host. On this show, we educate, entertain, and engage our audience while promoting legal awareness. I have very beautiful, elite, fine, posh, classy women that have also been very hardworking in their career path and they have done so well for themselves.
I'm here, and this is Flora 222, a.k.a. Floxy Florendo.
All right, and I have the woman that a lot of people think she's old, but in real life she's a very sweet, beautiful looking young woman, young lady.
I am afraid of Flora first of all because I sincerely don't understand. Hi guys, your girl Kemz Mama, and you can see who I'm battling with, a crazy person.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Question 1. Apos carried hookup girl for a short time rest. She said she started after some time, but Apos wanted more. He then threatened not to give her transport fare if she doesn't touch down. Which of these is correct? A. They are both guilty of prostitution. B. Apos has done no wrong as there was mutual agreement and consent between both parties. C. Apos can sue her for a breach of contract. D. Apos is guilty of unlawful penetration.
D is the last one, Abi. Wait though.
No, they copy my answer. Think with yourself. I see you look my side.
Show your answers. A and D. Apos, sorry. Kemz, what is your answer?
I'm not sure if prostitution is legal, but I think my answer is A. I think
so clean D.
Okay.
Women are wonderful. What's your answer and why?
I don't know. I don't think the question is leaning towards if they are both prostitute or not. The question is leaning towards if he forcefully have sex with her. I would say that's sexual harassment. That's rape. So I went for D.
How was it sexual harassment?
You say he forced himself on her even after she said she was tired.
I didn't say that. He wanted more.
And he.
Let me read the question again. Apos carried hookup girl for a short time rest. She said she's tired after some time, but Apos wanted more.
Okay.
He then threatened not to give her transport fare if she doesn't touch down.
Okay.
Which of this is correct?
Okay.
Do you want to change your question?
Yes.
All right.
My answer. Maybe.
Because I allowed you to change too.
I choose B because he has done nothing wrong. If she breached the contract, he's also allowed to also breach his own contract. Hey, English too plenty.
Is that your final answer?
That's my final answer.
Well,
is that your final answer?
Makes sense.
Yes, that's my final answer.
Is that your final answer?
It's my final answer.
All right. The answer is not C, and they can sue her for a breach of contract. The answer is also not A. They are both guilty of prostitution. The answer, after a long journey, long walk to freedom, the answer is D. Ade is guilty of unlawful penetration because he threatened her with a transport fare before he went down.
You told me he did not go down. You mislead. No. Did you not mislead me now? I said he did go down. He said no. He
then threatened that going down is not actually the crime. The crime there is the threat. Threatening her that she will not go with transport fare if she doesn't.
No. I feel played in this one because
Wow.
I feel played right now, Timmy. I feel played.
Wow. I asked you that you want to change your answer.
No, because my answer was based on what you explained to me. Like
I didn't explain. I only read to you. I read the question to you.
Okay, fine. Let it go.
Question 2. Femi has been dating Chioma for 11 years. He tells her, let's see how it goes. One day, she finds his pre-wedding pictures on Instagram. What is her legal course of action if she wants to sue? A. Deceit. B. breach of promise to marry. C. Cheating. D. None of the above. Why are you looking at her? Show your answer. What's your answer and why?
I think I guess this one because I feel like when verbal promise is allowed in the court of law, when you tell somebody, I promise you I'm going to marry you, and when that person breaches that promise, it will go to court. So I choose B. I was supposed to go for A, but deceit, I'll just do B.
Achalugo, I'm going to marry you. Kemz Mama, what's your answer and why?
My answer is none of the above, Abi.
Why?
Because I don't think relationships are is marriage that is, you know, in the face of the law, not relationships.
There's an engagement. Did you hear that part?
No, they were not engaged. They were dating for 11 years.
He engaged her.
No, he got married to another person. She saw wedding.
He said he engaged her, then he...
No, they were just dating. Which engagement? Is there engagement?
Timi, you know they talk this thing when you say he engaged her.
Did I mention engagement?
No.
What did you not say?
Let me read it again for transparency. The question says Femi has been dating Chioma for 11 years. He tells her, let's see how it goes. One day she finds his pre-wedding pictures on Instagram with another person. What's a legal course of action?
It's D.
If she wants to sue.
It's fine. I get it already. I thought you said you promised to marry her.
Oh no, I didn't say that. Did somebody promise to marry you?
No problem, guys. See me now. Don't stress me.
Apologies. All right, the answer is not A. Deceit. The answer is D. None of the above. We shall not be intimidated, cajoled, or harassed from changing our position. Question 3. Justice on this show will be done, even if heaven falls. Aruda.
That's how you fall down.
A soldier sights an artist, in brackets, civilian, wearing army camouflage on stage at a concert. The soldier went on stage and rips off the camo from the artist. What is the most correct position of the law? A. The soldier is right. It is against the law to wear camo if you are a civilian. B. The artist is right. C. The soldier was wrong. He should have merely arrested the artist. D. The soldier was wrong. The punishment is fine of 40 naira or 1 month imprisonment.
How are we supposed to take this? They don't arrest it. Okay, now that it's like that time that you asked me that. I faced law.
Show your answers.
I have.
Oh God.
I think. What do you draw? Now D be that.
Yes, sir.
Is this D or C?
It looks like C. Oh.
What is your answer and why?
I don't know. At this point in junction, I don't think I really know book like that. Personally, but I will not give up. I choose D because maybe it's 40 naira. It doesn't sound like an offense they should arrest somebody. I think it's something that they will fine you for. So that's why I went with D. Not like I know the answer. But because I'm a sharp guy, I go winner.
Sharp boy. Oh, sorry. Fellow sharp girl. What's your answer and why?
I picked C because I think I've been I don't think I've been arrested before. I've actually been arrested before. So it's either this is the right thing or what those people did to me then was wrong.
Oh my God.
Can you please share your experience? What did you do to you?
Yeah, I actually forgot that I was arrested. So they stopped the car that I was in and then they saw some uniforms, soldier, police, all those things. And we told them that we were actors. We do content and things like that. I wanted to use it for a content, but they asked if I had license or if I had like a written document from who I got it from. I said we sold it. They said no, we shouldn't have just sold it, and then they carried us to their station. I slept in police station that day.
Wow.
But is it not because they thought that you want to use it to do robbery?
Yes, because they actually think you can wear it and
But you were not wearing yours.
I wasn't wearing it. They just found it on like in my possession.
What does the law say?
Option A, the soldier is right. It's against the law to wear camo if you're a civilian. The soldier is not right, but you should not wear camo except you're a civilian. Option B, the artist is right. Option C, the soldier was wrong. He should have merely arrested the artist. Your answer is the soldier was wrong. He should have merely arrested the artist.
Yes.
Option D, the soldier was wrong. The punishment is a fine of 14 naira or 1 month imprisonment. The answer is actually B, the artist is right.
The artist is right.
Yes.
Those of you that arrested me dead. Those of you that arrested, you can hear. You can hear what the law say.
Section 110 of the Criminal Code says that a civilian shall not wear camo of the police or the armed forces. But there's an exception. If you have the authority of the governor of the state or the president or for bona fide state play or public entertainment, the artist was at the concert. So that's public entertainment.
I just think that Timi is actually giving us hard questions for us to fail. Because if we are going by what he said that he's going to be asking us based on things he has been saying in his podcast, he's not giving us that. This is an act. This, I will prevail.
Question 4. Sidi was married to Olamide Igomu.
Please say it again. No, let some people listen.
After they separated, Sidi kept her husband's surname and was telling people they were still together. This is called A, impersonation.
Sorry, go.
B, misrepresentation.
Hey.
C, jactitation.
Hey.
D, insubordination.
Wait, oh. Please call the options again.
I don't know the meaning of the two last English though.
Please call the options again.
Show your answers.
Please call the options again. It's not fair.
That English, I know that. What's agitation?
I know.
Your answer is what and why?
Misrepresentation. You are misrepresenting what is happening because you're already, some people can actually keep their last name when they divorce somebody. You can actually. So when you are using that to say you are still married, you're misrepresenting it. I pray I'm correct, but I don't know what that C, what's the meaning of taxation?
What's your answer and why?
My answer is C, and it's because it not answer me. I was trying to get all the options.
The answer is not D, insubordination. The answer is not A, impersonation. The answer is misrepresentation.
Oh, we are back! We are back, babies! We're back! We're back! Look at me here! I will finish you. I'm coming for all of you. Take that money from her.
They create now your money.
Collect that money from my money. That money is.
Which money is
mess with me and find out.
How many you get? How many I get?
For the sake of transparency, that was a prank. The answer is actually C, jactitation.
They lie.
Yes.
Hey! Wetin I go do, my brother?
Is that not wrong on the show? I know they do again.
See who laugh last, laugh
so
best.
sorry.
I know they do again. Why would you prank me? I'm not doing it. I'm not. You look for somebody to do it. Why would you prank me?
Question 5. What is double jeopardy under the law? A, another trial for the same offense. B, a crime that has two victims. C, prosecution by the federal and state government at the same time. D, having issues with Nigerian police and Nigerian army at the same time. Show your answers.
No be D you write just now.
You dey na me write am first. You copy me. You
copy you there.
Right.
No D I see you just now.
Why you dey look? Why you
dey look you?
Peace. Let there be peace. What's your answer and why?
My answer is state and federal government when you have this thing. And it's not like I exactly know, but there's this thing in double taxation in accounting. And the double taxation is when you're taxed from if you're taxed from foreign and then local for the same thing. So I just feel like it has to do with something with the government when it comes to anything double whatever.
You're so intelligent
So.
and so pretty.
So.
People need to know that about you. I know for real though. For real, that's so beautiful. What's your answer and why?
Copy. Rubbish.
I actually thought you wrote D.
Yeah. Now why you dey look? No, they look.
My answer is C. First, I don't know what double jeopardy is. Obviously, I don't know that. I'm going by. I wanted to pick A or C, but I went with C because C for cool girls.
All right, it's very cool.
Okay, cool. Now C, yes.
All right, cool girls. All right, option D, having issues with Nigerian police, Nigerian army at the same time is not the correct answer. And I don't think anybody should have issues with Nigerian police and army at the same time. Oh, there was a guy that was drunk while he was driving, while police was pursuing him, and then he ran into the wall or fence of a barrack. So that's like issue with police and army at the same time. Yeah, that works. A crime that has two victims is not the answer. That's B. The answer is between A or C.
Yeah.
Cool girl. Cool girl.
Now she be the cool girl.
Okay, you're not cool.
Don't worry, I don't want. She can take
The
it.
answer is A. Another trial for same offense.
I know.
Double jeopardy means that when somebody has been punished for something, you cannot punish them again for the same
Why
offense.
did I do it? I knew it. It was A. It was A.
What does the law say?
That's crazy.
Blessing are two you collect from my hand.
No, collect two. Alright, come on your hand there. We got the answer, wrong answer.
Shut up your mouth now because you copy me or there.
Are you ready? Question 6. Sergeant Okafor will retire from the police force in 5 years. He starts doing business to prepare for the rainy days. Which of these businesses work? A. Any private business as long as it is after work hours. B. Teaching. C. Farming. D. An officer shall not do private business.
Wait. Give us 10 seconds. Count the 10 seconds now.
Which one is count is 10 seconds?
I think it's A. Should I put D or A? I think it's A. As long as it's after.
I think you should always put a D.
Show your answer. Show your answers.
It's A.
You and this your D.
Is this a D or a C?
No, you like your C. In fact, a G.
What's the answer and why?
I don't know the constitution like that. But I mean, the constitution knows me. So I'm thinking D. Like, if you are working for the government, how can you be doing another job after? There's no resting time to take care of me as a citizen. You are a police officer. You should be on your toe. You cannot do another job. I rest my case.
All right. What's your answer and why?
My answer is D. I don't think civil servants should do anything private. I think until they have retired, they can now start a private business.
Is
who
a
that?
police officer a civil servant?
Okay. The answer is A.
No, I'm just asking a question.
I don't know, but the police officer is a civil servant.
I don't know why
now.
I keep choosing the
I can say
wrong
Police
answer.
officer a civil servant or a public servant?
Yato.
All right.
I.
The answer is not B, teaching. The answer is not D, an officer shall not do private business. That is partly an answer. The answer is not A. The answer is C, farming. A police officer is allowed to do only farming. You cannot do any private business except for farming.
But I was right.
That what?
Yes, that you cannot do any private business.
Except farming.
Bonus. No.
I said
No,
which
bonus
of
where?
these businesses
Which
work?
of these business? You fail. You collect her own money.
Yes.
Shut up your mouth.
My own don't go finish. How many more want?
Question 7.
Yeah?
Agama fell in love with Osas at first sight.
Agama lizard.
In legal terms, first sight means A. Esprit de corps, B. Prima facie, C. Res ipsa loquitur, D. Retina quid pro.
It be like saying a retina, but it's too easy for you to give us retina.
You know the answer in a retina.
I don't know the answer. I know Esprit de corps na team spirit. Na the only thing I sabi be
Now
that.
only him I know Esprit de corps.
Pick me or pick D. Hope say you pick
Show your answers.
Na be a pickle.
I pick D. Any of us.
Show your
any of
answers.
us. We gather D.
Guys.
Show your
Guys.
answers. All right. Kemz Mama, what's your answer and why?
So I feel like me and Gabbie, we did team spirit. So pick. I know sabi wetin.
I know Esprit de corps.
We know Esprit de corps, yes,
de corps.
but we don't know the remaining things he said. So the I feel like it's either between B or D.
In P,
So
I hear prime. Prime the level.
Yeah, me I hear retina.
I speak from the spirit, you know. I move by spirit. I'm not a mortal person. So as I was about to write, the spirit was saying B. So if you fail, it's not my knowledge, is the...
Alright, so gentlemen, the answer is not A, esprit de corps, as we both know. The answer is also not D,
Hey!
Cute Pro.
Hey!
I'm not aware of any word like Retina Cute Pro. I created that word. So if you want to use that word tomorrow, you have to give me my copyright. The answer is actually
Might be B.
B, prima facie.
Mad.
I'm not
Hey!
celebrating.
I suppose pick that B.
Nothing will make me celebrate. See, don't they ask the next question?
The answer is prima facie.
I know it. If you hit that thing saying a prank, then this thing is not that. But you don't get any representation. Make I still count that. After the second one,
go.
if I win the second one, I'll celebrate this B.
Question 8. Charles is a real estate agent. He sells a semi-detached duplex to Achalugo for a cash payment of 70 million naira. He immediately converts the money to crypto. He is guilty of an offense at first instance under A, Security and Exchange Commissions Act, B, Investment and Securities Act, C, CBN Act, D, Money Laundering Act.
We don't know. I don't know. Wetin be this?
Echo de la co.
Echo waiting. I know sabi.
I swear I don't know, but more go.
Like
Show your answers.
D. I'm in love with the details.
Alright. Miss Details.
Yeah.
What's your answer and why?
What's it be? What's this answer? That money laundry. I don't know. I just feel like making cash payment is suspicious. So if you don't do the transfer and the transaction in the bank, and it feels like money laundry to me.
What's your answer and why?
well, like, I don't get reason.
I
I don't have any reason at all. I just picked A.
The answer is not B, Investment and Securities Act. The answer is not C, CBN Act. The answer, I don't think there's anything like Security and Exchange Commission Act, because the Security and Exchange Commission own and operate with the Investment and Securities Act, which is option B. So I don't think the act is called SEC Act. It's
So
called
what's the
ISA.
answer?
So the answer is Money Laundering Act.
I'm not going to still celebrate now. I don't even trust
The
you.
reason is because by the virtue of Money Laundering Act, Prohibition and Prevention Act, Section 2 of 2022, a person is not meant to accept or make cash payment in excess of 5 million naira.
I knew!
If it's a company, excess of 10 million naira or its equivalent, you have to go through a bank or an approved financial institution. So, Flora is correct.
I mean, am I not always? Now, Timi, they deceive me why they lose all the answers. Let's go, guys. I'm ready.
Question 9. We are almost done. 10 questions per episode. Latin maxims. Pacta sunt servanda. Simply put, is A. Service is the greatest honor. B. To whom much is given, much is expected. C. Agreement is agreement. D. To obey is to serve.
Hey, God. Hey.
Now, did you save the put?
Walai talai.
Guy. You no go change them.
They
Show your answers.
That thing be like saying a C.
me will be both fail am or get am.
What is your answer and why?
I don't know. I just feel like this is the only one that sounds more, in the spirit of law, basically. Yes. So
But law does not have anything to do with service now. I think it's C.
no. To obey is to serve.
And it doesn't sound like a law term.
To obey is to serve. Maybe NYSC said.
Well, I choose D because I'm a girl that is led by the spirit. But I think the spirit this time around got them. So I'm thinking I would have gone for C. But I don't think it's D. But
No, agreement is agreement. Oh.
yeah.
I'm not allowed to prank anybody on this episode. I'll stick to the script. I will stick to the questions.
Yeah.
Partner son Sevanda. A. Service is the greatest honor. No. B. To whom much is given, much is expected. D. To obey is to serve. C. Agreement is agreement. The answer is not D. To obey is to serve. The answer is not B. To whom much is given, much is expected. The answer is agreement is agreement.
I knew it! Let me get me what is it you pussy.
Partner son Sevanda in English meaning means an agreement must be kept.
Oh!
In other words, agreement is agreement, no matter what.
Wait now, nobody has won. It's 4-4.
Does not matter.
So we both lose.
No, we are not done.
Timmy.
Okay.
Ah, shit,
I
that's
just say you won't carry on my money.
No, relax. You don't get any money. That's 3 pieces. That's 3 pieces.
Alright, the last question. Question 10 is a task, a mock trial. We are going to give you an hypothetical case. One of you will be defense counsel, one of you will be prosecution counsel. And you have 1 minute. There will be a timer in front of you. And after 1 minute, I will decide the best judge, the best argument, and the person who wins, the other person loses money. So the case, bestie breakup. A woman sues her ex-best friend for copying her slang and outdressing her at her own birthday dinner. Fact in issue, is personal branding a protected identity? Kemz Mama as the plaintiff, Miz Gabbie as the defendant. Fact of the case, ex-best friend wore the same dress in red, although more revealing, and posted first. Use the plaintiff slang, Omo, no pressure, but I hate. Now everyone calls her the real Flora 222. Plaintiff seeks 2 million naira in damages and an Instagram apology video. And your time starts now. Plaintiff.
Okay. Hi guys. My name is Kemi, and I'm the plaintiff for this particular argument. So let me just go through all the points that I have listed out. First of all, the plaintiff deserves the 2 million and an apology video online because 1, originality. No pressure, but I hate is her original work, and it's already something that is trademarked. She has had it trademarked already, so no other person can just use it when a particular slang is already trademarked. 2, public recognition. Because of that slang, everybody knows the plaintiff as this particular influencer. So you cannot use the person's slang. If you use the person's slang, that means you are tricking the audience to think that you are that person. Number 4, passing off, and then there is something to gain. There is fame to gain. Hey!
You almost used my hand to bang Gabbie. What is your problem, Flora? Where are you from, Gabbie?
Don't worry, I'll be looking at timer for you.
Are you ready?
Yes.
And your time starts now.
Hi, my name is Gabbie and I'm the defendant. First of all, I want the plaintiff to provide proof that that was actually trademarked, which I have not seen. If that was trademarked, tell me. So the first person that said based on street, and everybody saying it's based on street, because the plaintiff has a caption in her bio that says based on street, and that was coined by another person, which is not her. So I want to say, if 2 people wear the same dress, they can wear it. When you go to Yaba market, they have thousands of replicas of the same clothes. Even the high traded market own has the low version of it. So you cannot tell anybody what to buy because you are hot. I just think the plaintiff here is just jealous, is hot, is a love that has gone sour. Another thing is that she is saying that my plaintiff wore it to her, outdressed her in her party. Is there a rule of how an invitee is supposed to dress? I think the plaintiff here is disturbing and wasting our time, because you cannot bring a case of what I want to do. Because you have done it doesn't mean that I will not do it. It is the law. I don't lie.
Is it a counter or...
No, but we know who is the winner. Do we need to really talk? You didn't even say all your things. Now,
I did.
No, did you talk about the birthday dress? No,
because the birthday dress is not the issue as the plaintiff. The main issue is the slang. Omoto no pressure, but I ate. It's my slang and I have a trademark. I don't need to show you.
You need to see.
No, there are people that use other people's songs.
There is no trademark. Then why didn't you social media immediately tell me that I'm doing the wrong thing?
Okay, do you know
if it is on the wrong thing, social media.
Do you know if I have Momiwa trademark? I will not come and tell you that I have Momiwa trademark until you actually use Momiwa and I come and meet you and tell you that Momiwa is trademark.
Fight me with your document.
No,
there is no document. Show me the proof. There is no proof by talking.
No, that's proof. Because I already said it. That is trademark. That
statement was made with you and my client. You were in the room when that was created.
When that was created?
Yes. Show us
by the public.
We have a video.
Everybody knows that
we have a video that proves that the both of you
that I am the one that says it online.
Okay, so if you post something online,
the one that says it online,
people copy Momiwa already. People copy Momiwa and you trademark. No,
the moment you said it and I told you it is trademark.
Order.
Jealousy and bitterness. This is How
are you defending
you're not
with them? Jealousy?
This is jealousy.
No, nobody's talking about the dress. I am not talking about the dress.
My client is
talking about the slang.
Why didn't you say anything?
My brand is trademark.
No, it is not.
No, you don't get it. My brand is trademark.
It is not. There is no proof to the court.
Order. By the strength of the argument, marshaled by both the plaintiff, prosecution, defense, it's obvious to the blind and loud to the deaf who deserves to win this mock trial round. Although they are tempted to shout down the show and the host, but the gate of earth shall not prevail over the show. Beautiful. The energy. The lack of synergy. I never expected this. I didn't see this coming. They have not even allowed me to declare the winner of the mock trial. They want to beat themselves in the courts. Are you aware that what you just displayed now is contempt of court? In fact, you can go to prison. You can be committed to prison for it.
My lord, I'm sorry.
Kemz Mama had some legal terminologies in her argument. But unfortunately, she was not able to marshal her facts in issue and her argument before the time went out. But Flora, on the other hand, did not have legal terminologies, but she knew what she was going for. She was there to fight to the last that anybody has the right to wear whatever they want to wear, and there's no caveat on what an invitee can wear. Flora 222 won the argument for the mock trial. I'll be taking money from Kemz Mama. Kemz Mama really tried. I like the energy.
This will not pass off. Jealousy will not pass off in court.
It will.
Jealousy.
No. See. Make I tell you.
Wait.
What is the big issue about person when she invites?
That's why
I think about that. Is she not jealous?
It's not just
my friend
argument. This is an argument. No.
That person can.
Are you joking?
One else. Order. This argument alone is already another show entirely. By the rules of the show, is a winner takes all. The winner is supposed to take their money, enter the territory of their opponent, loot their opponent, possess their possessions, and add to theirs. Winner takes all, and loser takes our sympathy after the show.
And super story song.
Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. On this show or in real life, it's our honor and our pleasure to always teach, educate, entertain, and engage our audience, and also promote legal awareness. What does the law say game show on this episode? Can I have your hands, ladies? And the winner is... After a very fierce and tough battle,
Awuda! Continue, sir.
For transparency, Kemz has 1, 2.
20,000.
Awuda, Miss Flora Gabbie, 1, 2, 3, making her the winner. So please enter the territory of your opponent and possess.
Shifts presenter.
All right. you have to hand it over to the winner.
Hey, you said loot. I don't understand.
Yes.
They used to hand over something to place to go get.
Abuse of naira.
Well, I know I said this mock trial. This is not a mock trial.
This is a what?
No, this is not a mock trial because I feel like you gave her. You analyze whatever.
I don't know.
No,
you're right. But I brought my own home.
No, then it's
I even gave my reasons.
It's not a trial. This is not just a debate.
Money to the show.
You know what? Take the money.
But me.
Be a what's the word? What is the word?
Like you forget your argument. Count down, that's me.
And on this show today, on this episode, Flora 222 is the law. Thank you very much.
Thank
now, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, and let us know who you would like to have on the game show, either as contestant or as a pair. Till I come your way again, I am Timi Agbaje, Flora 222 Gabbie.
Signing out.
Amazing, beautiful Kemz Mama. Guys, I see you.